Hello, Peep. Welcome to a post-market commentary. What an interesting day. Yes? Did you have fun? I did. My brother and I had a lot of fun. Oh my. Well, we could have more fun, but I'm glad we were paying attention and we reacted appropriately and no complaint from me. Alrighty. Okay. What a crazy day. Okay, what a crazy day. And the first 15 minutes I was on YouTube, right? It was pretty ugly. It was comically ugly because, if you, I hope for those that are new to the market that you can learn and take away the lesson that you saw yesterday and today. What is a lesson? There were a couple. A, having cash to buy essential. B, if you are already in the market, it is painful. If you own good company, it is still painful because they still dump like crazy. But sell on a panic is absolutely the wrong thing to do. Okay, I can't stress this enough. Why? FOMO on the way up is just as bad as FOMO on the downside. Okay, I hope that lesson is crystal clear after yesterday and today. Crystal clear. Okay, this is something that I've seen for decades. All right, I can't say enough about how much I detest people with weak, feeble emotion that can't handle a little adversity, and it just, I don't know what else to tell you. Okay, look at this. This is right here is the pre-market. See, this is right here is 925, 9 right there. If you sold in the pre-market between 7 a.m. and 9:30, and then you're still selling, what were you doing? What were you doing? Okay, it's sad. It is sad that a lot of these people here are not new. Okay, they're just people that won't listen. They're just people that won't learn. Okay, it's it's taking money from the stupid, for the lack of a better way to say it. It's just, so the takeaway. Hopefully, if this is your first ride, your first rodeo, okay, don't do that. On a day like today, don't sell. If you own good stuff, solid company, it's ugly, it's bad, just don't panic, okay? The market have a way to take your money from the fearful so quickly. Oh my God, it's, I wish I ran the chat all day so that you can see how I behave with my brother from 9:30 a.m. until now, okay? It is just, I'm glad I'm not in the business because I can guarantee you, if I was in the business back in like the 90s, the phone would be ringing nonstop. People would be screaming, yelling, panicking, crying. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. It is one of those days where I'm just like, what are you doing? Okay, what are you doing if you are... Okay, real quick, let's take a look at the market. SMH. Let's take a look. Oh my God, I was watching the SMH. I was watching all of the major benchmark ETF, right? Look. Remember this morning, if you're in the chat, I said everything I said everything can go back to what it was in January. That's the spot to buy, right? I hope you paid attention. Oh my God, that was the trigger right here. My brother was pouncing on Nvidia and Qualcomm right here. Okay, congratulations to him. Yes, congratulations to him. Okay, this is how he beats me. Okay, he was watching this. I was outside feeding the chicken at the time. I come in 10 minutes later after I, outside doing the thing with the chicken. He's just like, dude, SMH. There you go. Unbelievable. Amazon. Look, I did not buy any Amazon, okay? Even though this would be the spot right here at 28.80 would be my first spot. I was looking for here. Didn't get there. Google. Look. Remember this morning? What did I say? I got my order right here. I just missed it. All right, so if you were brave to jump in on this dip near the January low, congratulations. Okay? Congratulations. Oh my God. Just about everything that I talk about and mentioned this morning about, can it go back there? Yes, it can. Yes, it can. What else did we buy? Oh my God, JP Morgan. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Yes, I bought JP Morgan here, 140.6, right there. I didn't miss this one. Okay? Unbelievable. Oh my God. Oh my God. It was insane. I bought crazy stuff. I bought more JetBlue. Yeah. 14. I bought JetBlue at like 14.6. I was not quick enough to put the order in, but yeah, I bought JetBlue. I like JetBlue. I bought JetBlue. I bought Win. Yeah, I bought Win. I don't care if it's below the line. I like Win. Okay, I bought Win at 84-ish. Yeah. I bought McDonald's. Yes. McDonald's. Okay, I talk about this line. Important to hold. It did. I buy. Okay, McDonald's. I did. I talked Walmart. Remember, I said, what's this line? You betcha I did. 132. Oh my God. My brother and I started to buy Walmart at 132.5, 132.6 or so. Yeah. So we bought Walmart. ANTM. You betcha I bought. Right there. That one, I got my order in early. Before. Got it. Okay. I also bought what I talked about this morning, XLV, the ETF. Look at this. I was watching this right here. Came down, reference low, good support, buy. Okay, it was a crazy day. The finger was not fast enough to buy. Yes, the low was very quick. The first 15 minutes, it was pretty ugly. It was pretty ugly, and I watched it. I thought for sure the low that we got in the first 15 minutes will be retested later, okay? But it was not retested. That's why as the market turned, I told my brother, normally I tell him to sit on his hand until the afternoon. But when I saw the market start to turn before 11 o'clock and looked like it's solid with good volume, I said, time to buy. Let's not wait until 2 p.m. We got to start buying here, okay? Pepsi. I bought Pepsi. Yes. I bought Pepsi at 160. 160. What did I pay for my Pepsi? What did I pay for my Pepsi order? executed. Pepsi, what did I do with my Pepsi? 160.53. Okay, 160.53. There you go. See, look at that. Near the bottom. Hallelujah. I've been talking about Pepsi for weeks, right? Talking about 160 was the spot I want to buy. So yeah, I was not going to be missing it down here. Oh, and I did buy BTC. Remember last night I took off my order of BTC at 36K, okay? This is the thing. Last night, I took off my order of BTC at 36K, but I left the one at 35K, and that was triggered like at midnight or so. And this morning, as the market turned, okay, around here after lunch, as it turned, I said to myself, buy. So I bought what I was gonna buy at 36 anyway. I bought it at 35,960, right around here. Okay, right around there. So hallelujah, winning. You gotta act quick. When it's quick, it's quick. Okay, nothing there, but you gotta move fast. I also bought Booking. Yes, I bought Booking. I was debating between Airbnb and Booking. At the end of the day, I told my brother, I'm going with Booking. Why? Right here. Okay, this nasty wick down right at support, I'm buying Booking. Tesla, impressive. My brother and I just missed it. We were waiting at 700 right here. When it got to 698, 699, I saw that. I text my brother, oh my God, Tesla is at 700, buy. And we missed it. Can't win them all. Did I mention this morning that it can get down to 700? I think I did. It was crazy. It was one crazy, crazy day. What else did we buy? Let me take a look at my order here. I bought Win, Booking, Walmart. Oh, Morgan Stanley. I bought more. Goldman Sachs. Bud. I bought Bud. 60.53. Bud. There you go. See, Bud. Right here. I bought Bud right around here. 60.53. When it bounced off this, I was like, let's get in. I talked about Bud this morning. All right, right around 60-ish, right? So yeah, I bought Bud. I also bought Morgan Stanley. Why? Right here, it come down to support, bang, buying more. I bought Morgan Stanley a little bit yesterday, and I bought more today. Walmart, Pepsi, I already talked about that. What else did I buy? I bought McDonald's. I talked about that. Yeah, that's everything that I bought. A good day. No complaint from me. What's next? Oh, let's take a look at, remember this morning I said if you're in oil, what were you doing? Remember? If you didn't take your chances to sell the last couple of days, what are you doing? All that sanction talk, well, guess what? Ain't happening, okay? You think Europe, dependent on Russia oil and gas, is going to do something with the sanction with oil and gas? Are you insane? Are you insane? Are you insane? Okay, it's just, yeah. Chevron, same thing. If you didn't sell, what you doing? Now gold, look at gold. Look at this. Look at the chart. You think this was random? You think that took gold up to the resistance up here was random? If you had gold and you didn't listen to me this morning about potentially where it's going and where to sell, what are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? Unreal. Unreal. Head shaking, okay? Head shaking. If you're in goal and you listen to me, I said, congratulations, congratulations, but be prepared to get the F out. See, when this turn right here is when the market starts to turn. When I saw this, I told my brother, we got to get in. We cannot wait until 2 o'clock, okay? This is it. When I saw this, and then when I saw this, okay? This right here. This complete obliteration right here. When I saw this by 10:30, I'm just like, dude, we got to move. This move is real. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. It's inaction is a sin. Okay, that's all I gotta say. Inaction is a sin. Inaction is a sin. Repeat that. Okay, repeat that as often as you need to, so that you stop behaving foolishly. CMG. Oh my God, I missed this one. I want it. CMG. Chipotle. I talked about it this morning. Didn't go low enough. I had an order at I think 1300 and one is like 1350. Didn't get there. Wow. Wow. Socrates got out oil last week. Thanks. Congratulations. Congratulations. If you did, good on you. Okay, good on you. I feel like I'm badgering people when I talk about, what are you doing? Sell for like 4 or 5 days in a row with oil. I'm just like, gotta get out. Unbelievable. People. Google. Well, talk about Google. Look at Google. Wow. Look at this chart. Dang. Oh, I bought Apple. Yeah, I bought Apple too. Look at that. Look at that. Okay. If you didn't want to buy Apple, that's the time. Finally, I talk about it, right? I said this morning, it will slice through these 2 levels here and then see you at the 200 MA. Gotta buy. If you want to buy Apple, there's no better spot than right now. Well, earlier today, at that spot right there. Unbelievable. What a crazy day. What now? Okay, here's a big thing. What now? Does that mean that I'm gonna plow in 25% of my remaining cash into the market? And no. Okay, this is what I would call a combination of a short squeeze, okay, and dip buyers. So yesterday and this morning we have a fear sellers and a buyer strike. All right, I talked about that yesterday. A buyer strike, low volume. Today we have a short squeeze and buyer coming in. Okay, so that combination today volume was very good. It's not a blowout volume, but it was very good. Look at, say, Apple. Okay, look, January low. Look at the volume today. Look, much more than yesterday. See, that's a huge difference. You got buyer strike, fear seller. Today you got wham. Okay, that's impressive. This is what you call a short squeeze right here, because when you see something like this, it's not a short squeeze. When you see a hammer like this, it's not a short squeeze. A short squeeze is when you see a candle like this, because it's basically the squeeze a solid candle all the way up. To me, that's a short squeeze. This is more of a short squeeze, just like this right here is a short squeeze right here on high volume. See, squeeze, squeeze. Yeah. But I was very happy with the volume today because I've been talking about it for a while. I need to see volume to confirm the bottom. Just like this, see? Look, today volume is higher than the previous 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 days, 9 days. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. We had to go back 20 days to see the same or higher volume. So we literally talk a whole month of bad volume or weak volume. Okay, it's just not a good market to be bullish when you have this kind of nonsense right here. This is a kind of nonsense that I tell people to take profit quickly because there's no conviction, okay? No conviction. So be careful. Be careful. Don't pay attention. This is what I told my brother all the time. Pay attention to the volume because when a stock go up, when a market go up on weak volume, that's not confirmation, okay? That's a sign that it will not hold, okay? And that's what we had for 20 days. This is garbage right here. This is garbage, sideways chop mess. So finally we have a good day. So let's see tomorrow. Tomorrow is Friday. It will be very interesting to see. Tomorrow could be another rip your face to the 20 MA. You heard it here first. Okay, so I think it's more gain to be had if you're in long, because I think tomorrow you're gonna have the short that didn't cover today get their face ripped off. Okay, this is the thing that I caution people about shorting the market is enjoy the pain when you have it, when you're gaining on the pain, enjoy it. But when the pain is over and the market's ready to reverse on you, you're gonna get your face ripped off. I warn it. I've been warning people. I said, you know, as bearish, as nasty as Ukraine situation is, you don't want to be short when things start to unfold because it could rip, the squeeze can rip your face off. Oh, UPS. Oh. I was watching UPS, didn't get in. Did not get in, okay? But it's looking good though. It's looking good. Would I buy UPS? If UPS, see, UPS rip higher, stall right at the 200 MA, okay? So this is key. It could fail right here, okay? It could drift back down, but 202 to 203 could be a good buy the dip area because that's the gap fill. It's already filled the gap, okay? So mission accomplished on UPS. I thought about buying FedEx today. I thought about it, okay? Look at FedEx. What a beauty. It came right down and touched the trend line. Whew. What a beauty. Okay, what a beauty. So I missed this. I was too busy buying other things and I missed this right here because trust me, that was the spot. I talked about it too, right? Did I talk about that yesterday or this morning? FedEx right here, that's the spot. I need more eyes, not enough eyes and fingers to type. But yeah, that was a beauty. So if you bought FedEx based on my Yip Yap, congratulations, because that was a hell of a run from 206 to 215. My God, almost 5%. That's any day trader, swing trader will tell you if you can get 5% in one day move, pat yourself in the back. Okay, well done, well done. Often we aim for 3% in a week, not 5% in a day. I did not buy, so I cannot pat myself. But if you was watching my video, here is my suggestion for those that watch my video daily. This is what the big guy told me. The big guy told me a long time ago, say, Nick, when you look at my chart or listen to my video clip that I sent you once or twice a week, take notes. Okay? Take notes so that you can plan ahead. And I try to. I once in a while when he sent me a video, a quick video clip, I take notes because a lot of time it does play out. And if I don't take notes, I don't remember. I just not quick enough to remember. That's why I talk about plan, anticipate, plan, and execute. Okay, so it's hard. It's really hard. Like even me and my brother, we constantly text back and forth all day because we just can't follow everything. Okay, we just don't have enough eyes and fingers. Okay, one more before I go. It's 4:30. Did we talk about Qualcomm? I think we did. Yeah, Qualcomm looking good. Nvidia looking good. Big spot here for Nvidia. Okay, look at Nvidia. Here we go again. Look at this. Perfect. If you were watching the January low, my brother did, right? He watched this, right? When he saw Nvidia come down here, he was like, get in. It matched January low. Get in. So congratulations to him. My God, what a $20 move on him. I'm telling you, that's why my brother is a better trader. Okay, he's glued to his desk. Here I am walking around doing things. I'm just not like as focused as he is. He's just like glued to the desk and he follow everything to the second. And so good on him. Okay, because he followed my preaching. Watch the January low. If you see it get there, it's time to buy, and he did. Good on him. I'm so proud of him. Unbelievable. So it's so good. This is why I told you over the past 6 or 7 months he has beaten me every month. Very proud. I can't be any more proud as a teacher, because when a student surpasses a teacher, yeah, no shame here because he deserves it. If you follow my teaching and you succeed, I'm very happy for you. Okay, I can't stress enough that I wouldn't be doing this if I didn't think I can help some people become a better traders. Okay, because I think it's not that hard. Okay, but then again, I also think grading comic book is not that hard. But so if you can learn something from watching me twice a day and become a better traders or even investors, okay, this is what I told some people that ask me. I'm just like, you don't have to be a trader to watch my video. Certainly, you will benefit less if you are not a trader, but you will still be able to use the information that I provide to buy better, to buy things lower. Because certainly you don't need to be a day trader or swing trader to place your order, right? And if you are a studious person, you certainly can put in your sell order ahead of time so that you don't miss, okay? So you don't have to be sitting at the computer. You can be a long-term trader, but you can still benefit from knowing when to buy and when to not buy, or when to sell and when to not sell. Okay, I can't stress enough that it's good, it's useful for everyone. That's why I'm super annoyed at guys that doesn't trade and they start to talk smack like, oh, I'm a buy and hold and technical analysis is not useful and blah blah blah. It's all about fundamental this and PE that, and I'm just like, let's shut the fuck up. Shut the fuck up, because if you don't understand what I'm doing, it's good for both short term and long term, then goodbye. Get out. Okay, I'm not here to try to change your mind. If you don't want to learn, get out. Last one before I go. What was it that I want to buy? There's a couple of things I want to buy today, but I did not. What was it? What was it? Oh, you know what was doing very well that my brother was super happy? XBI. What a move. What a move. See, that's the move here. My God. Okay, my God, it moved. My brother have a lot of exposure to XBI, so he was quite pleased. You know, he was buying down here. He was buying down here. He was buying all the way the last month. Okay, so he was annoyed that it was so bad yesterday, but wow, what a move. Okay, from 81 to 89, what a move. A 10% move. Okay, insane. So he was pretty happy with that. What was it that did poorly? A lot of drug company did poorly today. Okay, from Pfizer. Yeah, that was ugly. That was ugly. I did not buy from Merck. Ugly, ugly. Eli Lilly. Yeah. Johnson and Johnson. Oh, look at this thing. But look, if you like Johnson and Johnson, right here, that was a flag to start. Buy. I'm right here at the ref low. Support. Buy. Buy. So I actually like Johnson and Johnson more. I look at that. Okay, but I did not buy. But out of many of the drug stock that I follow, I thought Johnson and Johnson looked the most attractive. Gilead, A-OK. Nothing to worry about. Okay, it's still above 60. I got my put out there, so I'm okay. I'm doing fine with Gilead. For sure, you know what I mean? And thank you for the few people that email me. There's a couple of, there's I think 2 viewers that actually take very good notes of what I say. And throughout the day, not today, but on previous few days, they would email me, say, Nick, Costco is at so-and-so, or JPM is at so-and-so. I would get a text from them. So I appreciate that. If I can figure it out, I can't do everything, okay, to be honest. I mean, it's tough enough to run the chat twice a day and then spend most of the day with my brother back and forth. If I can figure out a way to create like a group chat, a group text kind of thing, you know, I love to be able to have all of us communicate so that we get the alerts and all that, but that's a lot of work, okay? To be very blunt, I don't get paid for this shit. You know, I got paid to make my own trade, to make money for myself. So there's a lot of things that I can do to help everyone, but at the same time, like I said, it's more work than I care to do, to be very honest about it. You know, so it's hard, okay? It's very hard. So today was a crazy day, okay? It's one of the wildest days that we have had in a long time. Market was down 3% at the opening, pre-market, and then ripped back. We had literally a 5% plus move. When can you say you see that in the stock market? From the low to the high, it was literally like 5% or more. Insane, insane. Okay. Yeah, I mean, Rob, if somebody know how to set up, well, that is, like I said, I used to belong to a crypto like chat group. I delete that application. There was an application that I downloaded and I joined. The reason why I deleted that and left that group, that crypto group, was way too many young traders that spent most of their day posting memes. It drove me crazy. Okay, it's worthless nonsense of people posting memes when they're so happy that their shitcoin is up 10%. I'm so done with this. Okay, I buy some crypto, but I'm not gonna buy some shit coins and listen to Wall Street bets, and it was just too much. I left that group. I did that, but there is a way that we can. Um, if there's a way, feel free to tell me, or we can work and set up some kind of like text group texting, and we can share alerts as often as we can. This way, everybody know the target has been reached. But yeah, I'm up for that. Okay, I don't want to set it up, to be honest. uh, yeah, I need to remember. There was some, maybe it was Discord. It was something. It was something. All I can remember is I deleted it because it was so annoying with the younger traders, because they spent most of their days in the chat room flexing. Okay, all I see almost every day is people posting memes of rocket ship going up when Bitcoin is up 5%, or like I said, this is when Bitcoin was doing very well. So there was a lot of bullishness on Bitcoin. But even then, I was annoyed by the constant flexing, cheering. And I keep telling those guys in that chat room was, if you're smiling, you better be selling, okay? If you're crying, then you should be buying. But flexing, posting memes of rocket ship going to the moon is not the thing to do. And after a few months of that nonsense, I'm saying, I'm out. I can't deal with you 20-something years old, because you all behave like children. Gotta go. Anyhow, if you can figure it out, feel free to create a group, however service you want, that we can all download on our iPhone, right? And you can call it, ETA Nick Stock Talk or whatever. So feel free to create one of those things, and I will join. We can all join, and we can text, and it will be viewed by everyone in the group. Okay, so I don't want to set it up, to be honest, but I'd be more than happy to join and set up alerts and post alert in the chat group if somebody set it up. Okay, so I leave it up to you kids, you men, to do something, because like I said, I'm busy with this stuff already. I couldn't take it. There was two memes that they post daily: rocket ship going up, and the one with the rock. The one with the rock that said "Let's go," right? Every day, dozens of memes. Let's go, rocket ship, and I'm just like, really? This is useless cheerleading nonsense. So I delete the software because my phone would go off 50 times a day of text, of memes. Very little. I'm the only one that posts time to buy, time to sell. I feel like I was the only one that posts that. Everybody else was just memes. Endless memes of bullshit. And I just like, I even told them I can't take this meme shit. It's just, but they wouldn't stop. So I said, I'm out. Yes, that was to be honest, one of my main goal when I started this right here a month ago, was to create a small group of traders. Hopefully people can learn from me, and hopefully we can create a trading group that basically can help each other become better traders. Because I said this many times in the very beginning, I don't have enough eyes, okay? And it's nice. I know I become a better trader with just my brother, okay? It was me and the big guy, and then me, the big guy, my brother. Okay, so the more people we put in, the more eyes we can have, and it just make things a lot easier because it's very hard. I can tell you right now, it's very hard to follow 30, 40, 50 stocks. Literally impossible. Even when you set the alert, you just don't have, nobody can have the mental capacity to follow everything. Okay, so my brother and I, we kind of try to divide and conquer, right? So I leave it up for him to do like the drug stocks. I do the chip stocks. Okay. Um, but yeah, be very mindful of what's going on because so feel free, if anybody in the chat room that can create a group, Discord or whatever service, email me. Okay, and you can call it whatever you want. You don't have to call it ETA Nick Stock Talk, whatever. I don't care. You can call whatever, and we'll see if we can get a group together, and then we rock. We will rock. Okay, trust me, we will rock. All right, I gotta go. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.